pleure sans raison?
Why do I sometimes cry for no reason?
There is some reason, but we have not seen it. As Thầy has said before, that sometimes the sorrow, the sadness of our parents have been transmitted to you, and maybe you have the sorrow, the sadness in you. You have not created that sadness, that sorrow, but maybe one of your ancestors, one of your parents did not know how to transform that sorrow, that sadness. That is why it's still there in you. So one day if you feel sadness and if you don't know what is the cause of that sadness and you cry, you might like to breathe in mindfully and get in touch with your parents, get in touch with your ancestors who are in you. And you say, dear parents, dear ancestors, this is your sorrow, your sadness. And I'm crying in order to help you to suffer less in me. And if you practice like that, every time you feel sad and you cry and you don't know why and how, and you can practice breathing in and out and recognize that sadness is in you and smile to it. And that way you help yourself and you help your parents or your ancestors. And this is a very simple practice, but it has a great effect to smile to your sadness. And I have seen people who are crying and smiling at the same time. They are smiling to their own sadness. And this is a very wonderful. It's like a positive energy is taking care of a negative energy. This is like a brother taking care of a sister, or a brother is taking care of a sister. Your compassion, your joy is the big brother. Your sadness, your sorrow is your younger sister. And the big brother is taking care of the young sister. And this is a very beautiful practice. And not only when we are sad, we cry, we can do like that, but also when we are angry. Anger is a young brother, younger brother. And when we get angry, we should know how to smile to our anger. Smiling to your anger is a very beautiful practice. And if you can do that, you win, you get a victory.